In this video, we're going to explore the background-color property. And this is a very important one because the background, you can see here, we have right now what we have written is a background. But there's also another one, specific background color property, where you pinpoint on the color. While background is considered a shorthand for multiple settings, which I will cover in the future in another video. But what is the real difference here? So alright, so let's make this here. So let's say we have this here. Let's comment this out. And we will see here, background. As you can see here, there's many different options here. And with background, the shorthand will cover all of these options in one. While the background color will be very specific only to the color itself. And you can see here is this. And let's save this and let's see what happens here. If you refresh, you can see nothing really happens. However, you can see here our background color has been removed here, and then you can see here this is the background color here that won't respond. So let's see if we can remove this, see why this is happening here. Alright, so that's probably for the comment. Well, it's comment out, that's why it doesn't read it. But what happened if we, for example, say this? We have this, but then we have dark. And if we refresh, you can still see that it will get basically the background color. And the reason why it gets the background color is because it is more specific. Remember, specificity is extremely important in CSS. So what is more specific? This one is a shorthand for multiple items such as image, position, background dash position, background dash repeat, etc, etc. While background color will cover specifically only a specific item, which is the color itself. So this is not allowed to overrule this one, of course, because it does not match it, because this one is far more specific. So this is very important to remember. However, here's the argument. Why do people then use so many times background just to set a background color? There has been many discussions regarding to this, and there are some tests that has been done, and eventually, after testing it multiple times, they have discovered that using just pure background instead of background color will eventually be faster. So someone did a test. They tested it on Google Chrome and on Safari, and they discovered that the speed is almost 50% compared to background color. Although that is quite surprising, and the reason why is that because background color covers more than this. It covers attachments, it covers multiple values in one. So somehow this tends to go faster than this. While many people are asking if the test was maybe incorrect, or are we missing something? We don't know. We cannot speculate. The only thing we could say maybe for speed is probably because here you have 6 characters. Well, this one would only have they have 6 characters lesser compared to this one, basically. That would be the only argument I would be able to give. Is there a real conclusion on that? I can't say. So far, background is being used almost always by most people, and it tends to be faster as of now. So in the future, who knows? Maybe we'll change it. Can't say, but right now, most developers tend to use background for setting up a background color, and you can do exactly the same. You can basically ignore the background color and just put in background and then put in the color code, and that will be more than sufficient. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions regarding this, make sure you put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you. And if you enjoyed this video, check out the next video here. You will probably enjoy this as well.